What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to check what code you have on a 89 to 94 cars. Older cars like this, like a 1994 Chevrolet Astro is what I have right now. Then what you're going to need is you're going to need a wire like this that has both ends stripped, one right there. And then you're going to want to go to the bottom where the plug-in port is, which is right there. So I'm going to go down here. So what you want to do is you want to jump. I can't get the focus, so you want to jump that wire right there, plug it in right there, and you want to jump it to the other side. It's really hard to do it with one hand, especially when I'm holding the camera. So like that's perfect. You jump the wire. So like that, it's plugged in, and that's how you jump the wires like that. So you jump both of the plug-in ports and you turn the car to the run position, and then the service engine soon light will start blinking. If it doesn't, then you want to adjust it just a little bit more to where it starts blinking. Here's code 12. 1 1 2. There's code 12. So what you want to do is you want to add them up, for example. Okay, for example, this is what you do. 1, just slight pause. 1 2 3. So that's actually a code 14. So there's a code 14. Code 12 is just telling you, hey, everything's working fine. So code 14 is saying that there's a problem. That's the actual problem with the car. So code 14 is an actual problem that you have. So this is what code is this? Alright, let's check it again. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. So it's code 43. So that is how you check what code you have. And so yeah, if you remember to subscribe, if you like the video, give it a like, and also don't forget to check Google what code you have, because you really don't know what code you have. Just check Google, just look up obd1 code 14 and it'll tell you what it is. So that is how you check what code you have on your older model cars. And yeah, see you guys next time.